Let's see how we can create a composite job and apply it to Android devices in SureMDM. A composite job enables you to combine a profile and multiple jobs like install application, file transfer, run script, or compliance policies into one job. You can then just apply the composite job on your devices instead of applying them individually. These jobs are executed in the up, down, or first in, first out order. Now, let's get started. Log into your SureMDM console. Go to Jobs, New Job, Android, Composite Job. Give this job a name and click on the Add button. Select the desired profile and jobs one by one holding the Control key. Then click OK. You cannot add job folders or more than one profile to a composite job. You can also add a delay between the execution of jobs within your composite job. Simply select the job, click on Add Delay, set the time in seconds, and click OK. The selected jobs will be listed in the Configure Jobs section. As noted above, these jobs will be executed in the up, down, or first in, first out order. Use the Move Up and Move Down controls to change the sequence of these jobs. Once done, the newly created composite job will be listed in the Jobs section. To apply this composite job to your devices, go back to SureMDM Home. Select an Android device or a group of devices and click Apply from the Quick Action toolbar. Select the composite job and click Apply. The job will be deployed on selected devices. You can also check the status of an applied composite job from your console. Simply select the device and click on Job History. You can now see the one we applied under Completed Jobs. On the device, you can see the composite job has been deployed successfully. You can also create a composite job by following the same steps for Windows, Wear OS, Linux, and Android VR devices. For more information, visit www.42gears.com. Thank you for watching.